this video, we'll be reviewing setting up gifts and selling a gift, and then printing or emailing a gift. So to set up your gift template, simply go to Set Up Appointments and Emails, Gift Template tab, and then in here you can edit the gift template, and you can take things like, let's say you want to plug the gift recipient in here. You go to your merge field and you put in gift recipient, and that's who it's going to go to, and then your personal message and so forth. There will be a default one in here. You can add things like your website address or details about how to use it, your terms and conditions and otherwise. And you could also plug in photos by using a photo link. You can add bullets and center things and so on. If you'd like to see a test of this, simply type in an email here and click send, and that will send a preview of this email so you can see how it looks. Okay, so once you've made your updates to sell a gift, you'll go to checkout, you'll go to other, you'll assign it a gift number, and then you'll put in an amount. And in here, if you'd like to put a gift recipient, you can. And a gift expiration. If you want, by default, this will go to next year's date, and you can select that, or you can leave this field empty as needed. And then if a worker should get credit for selling this, you can give credit to that worker and click Add to Ticket. And then, of course, to pay for it, you'll just select your method of payment and apply. When you'd like to use this, getting a little ahead of myself. Down here, you have two options. You can click Print Gift, and it will print the gift, or you can save it as a PDF. Or the other option is to email the gift, where you would put in the client's email of where you want this to send to, and click send, and then that email will go through. And then if you want to use this gift, you go to checkout, and let's say we're going to buy this hydration shampoo, and go to payments, and you'll click gift redeem. You'll put in the number here and click enter, and then the gift balance will display. You have to type in how much of this you would like to use. Click apply, and then that will come up here. And I can see my details down below. And then if I want to check the balance, I go to the navigation menu and click gift balances, and I can search by gift number and click search, and that will appear here. It shows me my original amount and my current balance because we used $31. If I click on the gift number itself, it will show me the transaction of it being used. And then I can also do things like search by the recipient name. So if I just type in Gab, it'll bring up, let's say, the Gabby Argus certificate that I just sold. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.